Hi soulmates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to cut and sew this detachable puff sleeve. I made this dress a few weeks ago and a lot of you guys requested for the tutorial of the detachable sleeve, and that is what I'm going to be teaching you how to make in this video. So if this is something you're interested in, then keep up watching. These are the materials I'm going to be using for the making of this detachable puff sleeve. So you can make use of any material of your choice. For me, I'm going to be using Ankara fabric. Okay, this is just like a leftover fabric. Then you're also going to be needing an elastic for it as well. So I'll just go ahead and open the leftover fabric I have here. There are like two pieces, okay? So I'll go ahead and fold one of the piece into two like this and iron it. So once I'm done ironing it, I will go ahead and measure the length I want the puff sleeve to be. So in this case, I'm going to be making use of 30 inches. So I'll just go ahead and mark 30 inches like this. Then I'll go ahead and connect the points together using my straight ruler. So if you want yours to be longer, you can go ahead and do what you want. The wideness of the fabric I have here is 18 inches, and remember that my fabric is folded into two. So if you open it up, you're going to be having about 36 inches. So I'll go ahead and fold the other piece into two and iron it. Then I'll place this first one on it and cut it out. Okay, you can even go ahead and cut the two at once. So I will go ahead and separate the two fabrics like this. Then I will pick one of the fabric. I'll go ahead and fold the tip like this, just like the same way you fold the wrapper. Then I'll go ahead and fold it again with ½ inch. Then I will take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down. I'll also go ahead and fold it down like this. Then I will fold it the second time. I will take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down, and also I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other one. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew it. After sewing it, I will just go ahead and iron it, and the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to cut out the elastic that I'm going to be inserting on that edge we folded. So I will just go ahead and measure 10 inches, though later on I went ahead to shorten it to 8 inches. Now if your arm is big, you can make use of 8 inches or 7 inches. If your arm is small, you can make use of 6 inches or 6.5. Now for you to pass elastic through it, you can use this office pin. Is it office pin they call it, or this other one? So I'm going to be using this one. So I'll just go ahead and use it to pin my elastic, then tighten it. Then I'll go ahead and pass it through the hole like this. So whatever you know you can use to pass your elastic through it, use it. So please take note of what I'm about to say here. So when you are passing it through it, go ahead and pin your elastic to the fabric at the tip here. Just go ahead and pin it down. If you don't pin it down, if you continue like that, you might end up just doing a rough work, you understand? The elastic will enter into the hole and you might not be able to pull it out. So after pinning it, I will go ahead and continue. So by the time I am done pinning it, I will just go ahead and stretch it out like this. So remember I told you guys that at the end of the day I ended up using 8 inches. So you can see the excess I pulled out. I'm going to be cutting it out. That is about 2 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut out another 8 inches like this. After cutting it, I will insert that one at the down. So whatever measurement I'm going to be using for the top, that is what I'm also going to be using for the down side. So I'll just go ahead and pass it through it. Don't forget to pin your elastic at the tip or at the edge. Then I'll go ahead and pass it out like this and also pin it. I will do the same thing for the other one. So I will take this to the sewing machine now. I'll go ahead and sew. I've not sewn it, so this is how it look like. I will go ahead and sew this part here. I'll go ahead and stitch it down. I will do the same thing for this side and also at the down and also at the second one. So I've gone ahead to stitch it down. This is how it look like. Now you are going to be turning it like this. Make sure the right sides are both facing each other, just like when you want to sew your dress. So I'll go ahead and pin it because I'm going to be stitching it from the top to the down. Okay, make sure the right sides are both facing each other, then go ahead and pin it. It is very important to pin it. Okay, so once I'm done pinning it, I will take it to the sewing machine. I'll go ahead and stitch it down with ½ inch. Just go ahead and sew it with ½ inch, and I'm also going to be doing the same thing for the other one. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew it. I'll just go ahead and iron it. It is advisable for you to iron it after you are done sewing it. So after I was done ironing it, this is how it look like. So I am done making it. This is how I'm going to be wearing it on my dress. It is very simple. You can style it the way you want. You can wear it like this, and you can also decide to pull it down. Okay, if you know this tutorial was helpful, please go ahead and like, comment, share, and also subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.